Hi there. My name is Roxane Webster with my home team at Keller Williams. I am your assumption guru, and I service the greater Denver metro area along the Front Range. Um, if you have not been reading the news on this, you know that interest rates are higher than any of us have been used to for a while. And this is causing a real sticker shock for buyers. Right. Obviously, somebody who a year ago could get a loan at 3% and now it's at 6.5% or 7%, that's painful. And in a lot of cases, that is pricing them out of the market. So we are not seeing offers anymore coming through that are offering $50,000 above the list price. What they're asking for, they're asking the seller to pay up front some of those interest costs so that the interest rate is artificially deflated for a couple of years, and they can actually afford the payment until interest rates drop and they can refinance it. But guess what? If you bought your house using an FHA, a VA, or a USDA loan, and you've got an interest rate of lower than, say, 3.5%, 4%, the buyers have no reason to ask you to pay down their interest rate because you have a loan that is likely a qualifying assumable loan, which means somebody can buy the house for market value. They can assume all of the terms and interest rate and payment of your loan, and they bring the additional funds, the difference between that loan amount and what the agreed purchase price is, as a down payment and closing costs. So you still put cash in your pocket, but you're not being asked to pay 15. I've seen them as low as 15, as high as 30, 35,000 that people are being asked to pay to reduce those interest rates temporarily for the buyers so that they can afford the payment. I know that's a lot of information I just threw at you, but I'd love to have a conversation with you if you're even considering a sale in the next year. This kind of golden opportunity only lasts as long as the interest rates are this high. Once they start to drop, the kind of pain in the butt that it is to get an assumption closed, which takes, rather than 30 days, it takes 60 or 90. The buyers are only going to be interested in doing that as long as they're seeing like a huge cost savings, which right now there is on a $600,000 house. Doing it this way with an assumption, a buyer is going to save between $500 and $600 a month off their payment by being able to assume yours. And as a result, they're not asking you for those tens of thousands of dollars in interest rate help. So that puts more money in your pocket. So that's why it's worth your time to do the kind of pain in the butt dance. I'd love to have this conversation with you. Click into the link, which will take you to a private message, and we can have either a face-to-face or a phone call. And please share this video with anybody else you know that may have similar questions. Thanks, and have a great day.